Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are doing another unboxing, but as you can see there's 3 bottles, as I said in the other video. There's 3 bottles, same type of aircraft but different liveries. So let's get them unboxed. So I'm going to start from bottom to go to the top. So let's do it. So the first one model here we've got here is this model plane. I don't know which one it is, but so let's get this model unboxed. It is the Qatar A380. This one's really good. Got stands like my other same time. And you remember my other model? It's really nice. So it's on the stand like that. It's really nice. Full of feature. We've got models like that. So I'll put that one out the way, and so let's do it. Get the other model out. So this model is very interesting one. So this one is this one is the so this one's the Etihad A380. So we got another stand for this one. So yeah, put that one on there. It's really nice. So I'll put that one to the side. And then the last one, you'll probably guess this is an Emirates one. So an Emirates A380. So this one's it came in a proper box. So that's really cool. Covered a proper box. I've been waiting for it. So it's got a little plastic thing. So got a little thing all over that now. Got a little stand. So yeah. So it's really good. Now I've got models coming in. All these are my birthday models for my birthday. I'll find. There we go. This one's really nice. This is actually my 5th Emirates model. The other 3 I haven't unboxed. They're rare. Really unboxed those ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm going to put the models together. I'm going to put the models next to each other. All of these models together, and so let's do that. So here are the models. Starting with the Etihad A380, Qatar A380, and Emirates A380. So that's the unboxing done, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.